Notice how the attorney carefully crafts each question, almost like a chess player planning 3 moves ahead. This isn't random, it's strategy, but ask yourself, is the lawyer seeking justice or simply trying to win? In court, truth often collides with persuasion, and the jury must decide.
Aggravated robbery isn't your average theft charge. It's a first-degree felony. That means Tanya Ortega is facing the same sentencing range as a murderer. 5 years to life. Right here, we see how serious Texas law treats crimes involving weapons.
CR 8904, State of Texas versus Tanya Ortega. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Humberto Sosa.
And are you Tanya Ortega? Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Humberto Sosa.
And are you Tanya Ortega?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Ortega, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonition. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of aggravated robbery?
This
It's a
isn't just a
first-degree
courtroom,
felony.
it's a battlefield
Range
of
of punishment
truth
is
and lies.
anywhere from 5
The
to 99
silence is
years or
sharp.
life in
The
prison
tension
and up to
almost
10,000.
unbearable. Every glance, every breath feels loaded with meaning. But who will win here? Cold evidence, fiery argument, or hidden persuasion? Stay tuned, justice is about to unfold.
Dollar fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine, affirmative finding of deadly weapon. State recommends deferred. There's to be restitution, if any, to Michelle, Michelle Young. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your
When
Honor.
you're outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours community service restitution, and no contact with Michelle Young. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
No contest. That's a big move. She isn't admitting guilt, but she isn't fighting it either. It's basically saying, I won't argue if you convict me. What do you think, smart legal strategy or just giving up the fight?
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
That sudden
State, any
objection,
evidence?
did you
Yes,
feel
Your
the
Honor. Sitting
tension
exhibit number 1
spike?
with office attached.
Objections
No
aren't
objection.
just
Proceeding with sentencing?
interruptions,
Yes, Your Honor.
they're weapons.
Anything you wish to
Each
say on
one
behalf
can
of your
derail
client?
momentum, unsettle a witness, or sway the jury's perception. The judge's ruling on it, simple as sustained or overruled, can change the rhythm of the entire trial.
All right. So what started this argument? What's the argument about?
So this lady was upset with me because I was assaulted by her boyfriend. He hit me with a gun from behind and called in this aggravated robbery. Said that I held a gun, took her phone and her makeup.
Okay. And I see what the witnesses are saying as well. So what is up with the tattoos, the writing over the eyes? Whose name is that?
I have 2 kids. It's my son and my daughter's.
This is heartbreaking. Tattoos over her eyes, not for intimidation, but for her kids. It's like she's literally wearing her guilt and love on her face. A reminder that behind every defendant, there's a parent trying, sometimes failing, to hold on to their family.
I've failed as of yet to be a mom that I really want to be for my kids, and I feel somewhat this is the way I can
Look at the
express
witness's body
to
language.
them
Nervous
that I love them.
glances, tightened lips,
it's silly
shifting
in part,
posture.
but
These reveal more than words. The
maybe if
courtroom
they see
isn't just
something
about
they
spoken
know.
testimony. It's about credibility. Jurors don't only hear evidence, they watch it. A trembling hand can echo louder than the most carefully rehearsed line.
Know that my mistakes are not towards them, and the love that I have for them is just choices, bad choices that I've made.
All right. And how old are your children?
9 and 12. My parents have adopted them to the state of Texas so they could go to college. Have a good,
Well,
stable home.
they adopted them so they could go to college, but you're right, that last part for them to have a stable home.
Yes.
Do you have
I
any
talked
plans to
them-
have any more children?
No,
Okay.
I'm done. But I've taken parenting and I've done a lot of things while in TDC, and I went to college in TDC and I got an associates in horticulture, and I'm in their lives, and I can't just go in and rearrange everything that my parents have
No.
done. I don't have that right. So I'm grateful that my mom and dad allow me to co-parent with them, and slowly but surely I will re-enter their lives and use my mistakes as an example of things I don't.
Look at the witness's
I've
body
made
language.
a pathway for
Nervous
them not
glances,
to
tightened lips,
experience.
shifting
what is the
posture.
tattoo
These
on your
reveal
chest
more
about?
than words. The courtroom isn't just about spoken testimony. It's about credibility. Jurors don't only hear evidence, they watch it. A trembling hand can echo louder than the most carefully rehearsed line.
It's a cover-up. I've like I said, I've made poor choices, and it's a name that I wanted to get covered up.
Any gang affiliation with you?
No, Your Honor.
Drug use?
No, Your Honor.
So why did Child Protective Services come in?
Well, my parents adopted my kids 7 years ago, and at that time I was on a bad route.
All right. So what drugs were you using at that time?
I was smoking marijuana.
CPS does not. I did a lot of CPS cases. There was more going on than smoking marijuana. What else was going on?
No, I was just smoking marijuana, but I was in a very bad relationship with my daughter's dad, and
Mhm.
that was another factor to bring into the
And what's
Okay.
that father's name?
Eduardo Sotelo, but he's dead, and he rests in peace.
All right.
Boom. This moment shifts everything. The father of her child died from a synthetic marijuana overdose. His heart exploded. This isn't just one broken person. It's a whole cycle of trauma
Here comes the
addiction,
cross-examination.
and
The
loss
trial's
feeding
most
into the
dramatic
courtroom
stage.
today.
Lawyers
Died of,
thrive on exposing
O-
cracks
OD
in a
on
witness's
the-
story, turning certainty into doubt. The questions are sharp, deliberate, designed to corner. The goal: to make the jury question everything they just heard. Truth becomes a battlefield here.
Anything else, probation? All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Judge, we're just gonna ask if she chooses to continue her academic career, could some of those hours be used for community service?
Yes. But I will tell you this, if you're continuing with your academic career in this court, you must be doing at least 8 hours
Okay.
per semester.
Your Honor, is there any local parenting classes that you
Sure.
could refer me to?
Yes.
There's always.
All right.
Good
I'll add
resources.
parenting classes.
Thank you.
And if she completes when she completes the parenting classes, we can knock off 100 hours of
The
community
judge's
service
gavel strikes a
restitution.
sound that cuts
you.
through
You're
chaos.
welcome. Is there
It's
anything
more
else you
than
need
wood
from the
hitting
court?
wood. It's
Thank
authority,
you very much.
We
discipline,
really appreciate it.
control. That sound reminds everyone, no matter the passion, no matter the argument, this courtroom follows order. Justice may be unpredictable, but the rules remain ironclad.
Synthetic marijuana. His heart exploded 3 years ago.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. $1,500 fine. It will be probated. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There's to be no contact and restitution to Michelle Young. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors.
Did you catch
Proof of
that hesitation
employment
in the
within 30
prosecutor's
days
tone?
of release.
Even small pauses can
There's to be
shift
no
momentum.
employment as
Jurors
a
are
home
human,
health
they
care
pick up on nerves, confidence, or doubt. In high-stakes cases, even the strongest arguments can falter. if delivered with uncertainty. Law isn't just logic, it's performance under pressure.
Rider or with minors, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, random, regular UAs. We can do a gang evaluation, field visits, one time per month until further notice, 200 hours of community service restitution, 8 years deferred adjudication, anger management, and
Now
I'm
the
going to want
defense
90
rises
sober
with
meetings
fire
in
in their
90
voice.
days.
Notice the contrast-com logic
Anything else,
against passionate
probation?
appeal. Which works better? That's the beauty of trials. Jurors aren't robots. They're swayed by emotion as much as evidence. The defense knows this and leans into the theater of persuasion.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Judge, we're just gonna ask if she chooses to continue her academic career, could that, some of those hours be used for community service?
Yes, but I will tell you this, if you're continuing with your academic career in this court, you must be doing at least 8 hours
Okay.
per semester.
Your Honor, is there any local parenting classes that you
Sure.
could refer me to?
Yes,
There's always.
all right, I'll add
Closing
parenting
arguments, the grand
classes.
finale.
And
Everything
if she
comes down
completes
to
the
this.
parent, well, when she completes
Lawyers
the
weave
parenting
facts,
classes,
emotion, and story into one final push. But here's the catch. Jurors often remember not the evidence, but how they felt. Did they believe? Did they trust? That's the line between freedom and conviction.
we can knock off 100 hours of community service restitution.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need from the court?
Thank you very much.
We really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you. We can go off the record. In this court, probation is not easy. That's what the deputies tell me all the time.
But it's doable.
It's-
Very doable.
It's doable. So if there's an issue, discuss it with your probation officer. If you feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come to court and we will address it here.